What do we got? November 12th, last Friday in rifle season. All right, so this morning I went and got a load of gravel and I want to fix up this driveway a bit. See, it's got that big low spot there and that's still kind of muddy right there. Little shop update, got the lights in, everything's all wired, got power out here, and got the hoist. It's installed and it's going, so that's exciting. Those lights are so bright. So the other day, the township was doing some ditching down the road, and they were kind enough to bring 5 or 6 loads here. I've got them all pushed off the back. I got this all messed up. I gotta fix all that. That's why I wanted to get that gravel and then spread it all around here so it's not just all mud. But that stuff they brought, that filled that up pretty nicely back here. I'm still gonna need some more loads at some point, but that's a pretty good start. Decent. All right, let's get out of here. Well, there, that looks not too bad. I definitely brought that up a bunch, so that shouldn't hold as much water. All right, I'm gonna come back here and get this all spread out and get this mud cleaned up. All right, check it out. Just finished up. Just spent 5 minutes with a rake walking around, touching up a couple little spots here and there, but that turned out pretty good. That gravel is probably twice as wide now as it was. This is still kind of muddy in here, but that's all right. That's a lot better than what it was. I could have used another load, but that was all I had time for today. It'll be nice to get that all covered up back there at some point. That's why I left all that extra there to push down over the hill at some point, but yeah, it's looking good. This gravel here, it's just straight crushed limestone, and the other gravel that I put down before, it kind of had sand in it, and I like this limestone stuff better. So next summer I would like to top coat the whole driveway with that 5/8 limestone. I'm sure I'll need a little warranty work anyways in the spring after a freeze and a thaw and snow plowing and whatnot. So I got this all doctored up around here too. I finally filled this hole in around this conduit for the where the wire runs in for the power. And I got that hole filled in. I'm thinking it's still a bit low. I could have used more there, but I could have used 2 loads of gravel really, but that's all right. That was kind of a last minute plan there today. I spent, I don't know, probably close to 2 hours washing this thing today. And that looks a lot better. Oh yeah. Want to do some TLC on that old girl this winter. Get it pulled into the shop at some point. The projects never end. That's pretty well it for me today. That's looking good around here. That is coming a long way. This has been quite a big year. It's definitely been stressful at times, but it's all slowly coming together. That looks way better.